Hey guys, announcement. We just restocked all of our products. That includes our best-selling Black Rice Water Deep Conditioner, our new Black Rice Water Herbal Rinse, our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Bundle, and I'm also taking appointments for personal hair growth consultations where you can get my expertise advice via video chat. All available now at miriamhampton.com. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I use my rice water herbal rinse. And you want to start off with cleansed hair. If you want to see a video of how I cleanse my hair, I will link that video down below in the description box. So this is how my hair looks cleansed and conditioned, and now I can move on to the rice water herbal rinse. Now I like to use this product no more than once a week. Now I wanted my product to be in a spray form. A lot of rinses are usually just things that you can like dunk on your hair, but I wanted it to be a spray form so you can easily distribute it over your entire head of hair. Now our all-natural rice water rinse is created with organic black Thai rice. So what we do is we ferment the rice water and infuse it with natural herbs and oils. Now this is an all-natural product and it has lemongrass, eucalyptus, tea tree, rosemary, and a lot of other ingredients that will help improve the condition of your hair and promote a healthy pH level. So I spray this product all over my entire head of hair, and then I will massage it into my scalp and leave on for 30 to 40 minutes. So I like to put my hair in a bun while the product absorbs into my hair shaft, and I'm using our new 100% satin scrunchies. We just launched these, a part of our new tools and accessories line. And I like to sleep in these scrunchies because they don't prevent breakage or any type of damage to your hair as normal scrunchies would. Alright, so after about 30 or 40 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and start the detangling process on my hair with the black rice water rinse still in my hair because it actually helps with detangling as well. Alright, so I'm going to be detangling my hair with our new Ultimate Detangling Brush, and I'm super excited to bring this to you guys because so many people have been asking me when would I come out with my own brush. So here it is, and it's amazing. It cuts my detangling process in half, and paired with my products, when I detangle my hair with my products in this brush, I literally only have to detangle my hair in 2 sections instead of like 4 and 6 like normally. It's also designed to minimize breakage and hair loss. As you know, it is normal to shed 100 strands of hair a day, but it is not normal to have a lot of shedding. And that is a problem that a lot of people struggle with, and as you guys will see, a lot of shedding that I had. The shedding is very minimal when I use this brush. Alright, so after I'm done detangling my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse out all of the black rice water rinse. And you want to rinse it out with cool or cold water. Don't use shampoo, just rinse it out with water. And then you can move on to the styling process. Alright, to style my hair, I'm going to be using our Maximum Hair Growth Moisturizer. And this moisturizer is a combination of 16 of the most potent herbs and oils to help grow natural hair. So this product has shea butter, mango butter, aloe vera, castor oil, and it's all natural. So I'm going to take a small amount of this moisturizer and apply it to each section of my hair. And I love this moisturizer because, as you guys know, I have low porosity hair, and when you have low porosity hair, it's very difficult for any type of products to absorb into your hair shaft. So when I developed this product, I wanted to make sure that that would not be a problem. And this moisturizer does an amazing job at seeping into my hair and keeping it extremely moisturized. So what I like to do is brush my natural curls out and then go ahead and twist my hair. And I'm going to be putting about 4 twists into my hair. It doesn't have to be neatly sectioned or anything like that because I will be taking them down in the morning. But when I do twist my hair, I make sure that it is tightly twisted. And I think that twisting and braiding my hair at night has been essential in my hair growth process over the years. Wearing my hair loose to sleep makes it very tangled in the morning, so I always like to go ahead and just detangle my hair at night, put it in a couple of braids or twists, and then I can easily just go to sleep and not have to worry about my hair being super tangled when I wake up. So I'm going to continue this twist process over the next couple of twists, and then I will be done with that part of my hair. Alright, so after I'm done twisting my hair, I like to take a little bit more of the hair growth moisturizer and apply it to my scalp and my edges. Now this moisturizer is great at laying down my hair. I literally only use water in this moisturizer these days. I don't even have to use gel just because of how great it is at laying down my hair. And applying it to your scalp and your edges will help with dry scalp, and it will keep your roots moisturized, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Now moving on to my favorite part, and this is the sunflower seed hydrating oil mist, and I like to spray a little bit of this on my entire head of hair, and what this does is it will help seal in that moisture. So this is an essential step that I like to do nightly. And finally, a few drops of my maximum strength hair growth oil always goes in the scalp. I only use a few drops at night, but if you are a person who struggles with hair loss, alopecia, balding, or anything of that sort, you want to use this at least twice a day. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tie my hair up and get ready for bed. And finally, I get to share with you my new bonnets. And I'm super excited about these bonnets because I always struggled with bonnets. I never would wear them or anything like that because they would always fall off my head at night. So my bonnet is 100% satin on both sides. It's double lined and it has a drawstring, so it never will fall off your hair when you're sleeping. So if you're a rough sleeper like me, you don't have to worry about your bonnet falling off at night because it will stay on. So our bonnets are reversible. You can wear it on the black side or you can wear it on the silver side with my logo on it. Alright, so that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton and at MH Hair Growth. And you can shop MiriamHampton.com for all of your hair growth needs. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye!